back to today's lecture. So last time we did up till question number 3. We will start today from question number 4. Let's continue. Okay. All right. So over here, we need to compare this particular equation with the right hand side. Now, 8 raised to power something is equal to 1. What we'll do, we can say this 1 to be 8 raised to power 0. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. So we have both the side 8, so 8x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 8 raised to power 0. The power should be same. It means we get x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. So now what we'll do, we'll simply factorize this. So product is negative 15, sum is equal to 2. So negative 15 and 2, we get 5 and negative 3. So x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. We get x common, x plus of 5 minus 3 common, x plus of 5 is equal to 0. X plus 5, x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to negative 5, x is equal to 3. These are the two zeros of this equation. Similarly, 4 raised to power 0. So we'll say x square minus 11x plus 15 is equal to 0. Now over here we get sum to be negative 11, product is positive 30. The product is positive, sum is negative. It means both the terms will be negative. So taking both the terms negative, we take negative 6 and negative 5. That will be good. Sum is negative 11, product is 30. So 2x square minus 6x minus 5x plus 15 is equal to 0. Taking 2x common, x minus of 3 minus 5 common, x minus of 3 is equal to 0. X minus 3, 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to 3, 2x is equal to 5, x is equal to 5 by 2. So these are the two values of zeros over here. Okay, now it's something different. We can write it as 2 raised to power 3. 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3. So we'll say x square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 3. We'll bring 3 to the left hand side. X square minus 4x plus of 3 is equal to 0. 6 minus 3 is 3. So sum over here is negative 4, product is 3. So we can say negative 1 and negative 3. Okay, sum is negative 4, product is 3. So x square minus x minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 1 minus 3 x minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 1 x minus 3 is equal to 0. We get x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. These are the two zeros of this quadratic equation. Alright. We need to convert this right hand side in terms of power of 3. So can we say it 1 over 3 square, and can we say it 3 raised to power negative 2, right? So equating 3 raised to power this quadratic equation with 3 raised to power negative 2, we get 2x square plus 9x plus 2 is equal to negative 2. Simplifying this, 2x square plus 9x plus of 4 is equal to 0, right? Sum is 9, product is 8. So the two numbers should be, yes, 8 and 1. So 2x square plus 8x plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. Taking 2x common, x plus of 4. Taking 1 common, x plus of 4 is equal to 0. X plus of 4, 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we get from here x is equal to negative 4 and x is equal to negative 1 by 2. Okay, all right. So how to simplify this quadratic equation? We have e raised to power this, the power is equal to 1. How will do that? Think a little bit. Yes. Are you thinking of multiplying this quadratic equation 5 times? No, that's not a very good idea. I told you in previous lectures that if we take any operation in the left hand side, we'll also take that in right hand side and the equations are equal. So we take fifth root of this left hand side, x square plus 2x minus 14 to the power of 5 is equal to fifth root of 1. Fifth root of 1 is 1 and fifth root of this will be just the quadratic equation. 2x minus 14 is equal to 1, right? So we get this quadratic equation simply. X square plus 2x minus 14 minus 1 is equal to 0. The equation now becomes x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. Sum is equal to 2, product is equal to minus 15, product is negative 15, sum is 2. The two numbers should be yes, 5 and negative 3. Okay, so I hope you're getting a good idea of factorization. We can write it as x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. x plus of 5 minus 3 x plus of 5 is equal to 0. X plus of 5 x minus of 3 is equal to 0. So we get x is equal to negative 5, x is equal to 3. These are the two zeros. Okay. Over here we can say again eighth root of this by taking the eighth root of this quadratic equation minus 7x plus 11 raised to power 8 is equal to eighth root of 1, that is 1. So we get x square minus 7x plus of 11 is equal to 1. From here we get x square minus 7x plus of 10 is equal to 0. Sum is equal to minus 7. Product is equal to 10. Right? Sum is negative, product is positive. It means both the numbers should be negative, right? Because sum is negative. So both the numbers should be negative and their sum is 7. So can we take 5 and 2? Negative 5, negative 2, right? X square minus 5x minus 2x plus 10 is equal to 0. Taking x common, x minus 5 minus 2 common, x minus 10 is equal to 0. Sorry, not 10, x minus 5. Taking 2 common. Negative 2x plus, sorry, not plus, it's negative, sorry. So x minus 5, x minus 2 is equal to 0. You get x is equal to 5 or x is equal to 2. These are two zeros of this quadratic equation. Alright, now the question says the diagram shows a right angled triangle with the side 2x centimeters, 2x plus 1 centimeters and 29 centimeters. Show that this is the quadratic equation that we are getting. Find the length of the sides of the triangle. So I hope you know we have a theorem over here. The side opposite to the 90 degrees is hypotenuse. We say this is perpendicular, this is base, and by Pythagoras theorem we say that h square is equal to p square plus b square. So we use this, h square is equal to p square plus b square over here. Value of h is 29, value of p is 2x, value of b is 2x plus of 1, right? So we substitute these values. 29 raised to power 2 is equal to 2x raised to power 2 plus 2x plus 1 raised to power 2. Okay, so we'll open this. What do we get over here in the right hand side? Square of 2x is 4x square plus 4x square plus 4x plus of 1, right? And in the left hand side we get square of 29, and square of 29 is 841. So we get 841. 841 over here. Now what we are getting is 8x square plus 4x minus 840 is equal to 0. We'll divide it by 4. We get 2x square plus x minus 210 is equal to 0. And I think that's the quadratic equation they're asking for. We'll find the solution. Finding the value of x over here, what we get? We have negative 420 as the product and sum is equal to 1. It means we'll take two such numbers which are almost very equal. So I can take 21 and 20. This will work. I will take sum as sum is positive, so plus 21 and negative 20, these will be the two numbers. So 2x square and plus 21x minus 20x minus 210 is equal to 0. Taking x common, 2x plus 21, and taking 10 common, negative 10 common, we get 2x plus 21 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 21 and x minus 10 is equal to 0. So from here we get x is equal to negative 21 by 2 or x is equal to 10. These are the two values of x. Now, which is favorable for us? So I think length can't be negative, so we'll choose positive value. So x is equal to 10 we'll choose. So from here we get perpendicular as 20, base as 21, and hypotenuse as 29. These are the sides. So a plus b times h. So over here we get area, that is 35.75 is equal to half of, now one side is x minus 1 and plus of x plus of 3 times h, which is x. So we get half of x minus 1 plus x plus 3 times x, that is half of 2x plus of 2 times x. We can divide it by 2. We get x plus 1 times x is 37.75, 35.75, and this gives us x square plus x, 35.75. So we get x square plus x minus 35.75 is equal to 0. Alright, if we multiply this equation by 4, we get 4x square plus 4x minus 35 times 4, which is 140, and 75 times 4 is 3, so 143 is equal to 0. Now A is equal to 4, B is equal to 4, C is equal to negative 143. So sum over here is 4 and product over here is 143 times 4. So it's 2 572. So we need two numbers whose difference is 4 and product is 572. They're also negative. So positive number will be greater than negative part. Now two such numbers. So by unit number we can check that the product should be the product of unit numbers will be 2. That means it can be a good pair of uh, 2 and 6. 6 twos are 12. So unit number will be 2. Now by this we can check that uh, since it is almost very close to square root of 25, so we can check for 22 times 26. I think that is the answer. So we'll take plus of 26 and negative of 22. So 4x square minus 22x plus 26x minus 143 is equal to 0. Right? So this is the splitting of middle term. We can take common now. So 4x we can take common, or it's better if we take 2x common. Left out is just 2x minus 11, and we can take again plus of 13 common. This will leave us with 2x minus 11 is equal to 0. So we get 2x minus 11 plus uh, times 2x plus of 13 is equal to 0. So we get x is equal to 11 by 2 and x is equal to negative 13 by 2. So these are the two zeros of this quadratic equation. So zeros of this quadratic equation, but the value of x was actually one side, so it can't be negative. So it is not negative. This is incorrect. We'll take this particular value for x, which is positive. So x is 5.5 centimeters. All right. So x is 5.5 centimeters. That is what the question was asking. I hope it is clear. Okay. Question number 7. So question number 7 is this. So we can say that x square minus 11x plus 29 raised to the power 6x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 1. So we can do this by two ways. So anything raised to power 0 is 1. So we can equate this power with 0, as well as I told you in some previous questions, if we take the root of this quadratic equation times this, okay, so power of root is this, that we will take with the 1 also, we'll get in our right hand side 1, and in left hand side this power will be cancelled out. So case 1 is in which 6x square plus x minus of 2 is equal to 0. So this we are getting by taking power of 1 as 0 and equating them, or we are saying that, so this is case 1. This comes when we say x square minus 11x plus 29 to the power 6x square plus x minus 2 is equal to x square minus 11x plus 29 raised to power 0. Okay, so we are equating the powers. One case is this. Let's find the zeros for this. So 6x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So sum is 1, product is negative 12. So best suitable numbers are 4 and negative 3, 6x square plus 4x minus 3 minus of minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So we can take 2x common. So 3x plus 2 minus 1, 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. 3x plus 2, and we get 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So from here we can say that x is equal to negative 2 by 3 or x is equal to 1 by 2. So these are our answers. Also we can say now case 2, if we say that taking root of x square minus 11x plus 29 and to the power 6x square plus x minus 2, and we are taking root to the power of 6x square plus x minus 2. Okay, so this will do what? Root of 1 to the power 6x square plus x minus 2. Okay, so this is what we are doing. So this will remove the powers, and any root of 1 is 1. So we get x square minus 11x plus 29 is equal to 1. So we can bring 1 to the left hand side. So taking 1 to the left hand side, we get x square minus 11x plus 28 is equal to 0. And the product is 28, sum is negative 11. So we can take two numbers from here. So those are 7 fours are. So x square minus 7x minus 4x plus 28 is equal to 0. So we get x minus of 7 and minus 4 x minus 7. So x minus 7 and x minus of 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 7, x is equal to 4. These are also the two solutions. So I hope you understood this. With this question, we come to the end of our exercise 1A. Stay tuned for the next lecture. We'll start with exercise 1B. Thanks for joining.